Home, Sweetbriar home.
Phenomenal curb appeal and charm greets you at 157 Sweetbriar Drive in Kitchener. I'm Helen from Helen's team, and this is my partner Daphne, showcasing delicious listings around Waterloo region.
Who says you can't have it all in this fabulous Forest Hill neighborhood? Affordable and beautiful. The ideal home for a growing family that has been lovingly maintained and updated with incredible interior design.
The main floor features a bright, oversized foyer with amazing storage and a fully updated powder room. The attractive open concept layout with a modern gas fireplace will allow for entertaining all year round. The airy, bright feeling from the updated oversized windows offers maximum sunshine throughout the entire home. Let the children play in the fully fenced yard, then call them in for homework at the large kitchen island or at the built-in hideaway desk neatly tucked behind the dining cabinets. Relish the refinished hardwood floors underfoot that carry on upstairs into the 3 spacious bedrooms. The main bathroom with stone countertops features a double sink to alleviate any bickering over toothpaste at bedtime. Heading down to the basement, you will enjoy another cozy gas fireplace in your massive recreation room with loads of built-in cabinetry. A large laundry room completes this level, but let's not think about chores for much longer. Instead, let's look forward to hosting loads of guests with parking for 4 in the double-wide driveway and 1 in the oversized attached garage. Finished to perfection both inside and out with a large landscaped fenced yard featuring a deck, a shed, and a patio.
Find out that life is indeed Sweetbriar and come and experience it for yourself because
this house isn't mine and it should be yours.